This repair video for the P0135 error code is specifically tailored for Toyota drivers. If your Toyota is showing up P0135 code, this is for you. This means that ECM has tested the O2 sensor heater circuit and has detected a problem with the O2 sensor heater circuit in bank 1 sensor 1. Under this circumstance, short-distance driving is permitted, but your vehicle should be repaired as soon as possible. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error could be caused by these possible faults in your car: faulty oxygen sensor, damaged wiring or connectors, blown fuse, faulty ECM. Here is a simple DIY method you can try to solve this problem. Oxygen sensor replacement. Carefully remove the oxygen sensor from the catalytic converter and visually check the oxygen sensor electrical connections, wire harness, and metal tabs for any damages. If damages are found, then replace the oxygen sensor. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially in those manufactured in 1996, and it is commonly found in vehicles like Honda, Nissan, Chevrolet, Ford, and Toyota. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.